Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a juicy smash burger that's packed with flavor and easy to make. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the burgers, 1 lb ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 slices of cheddar cheese, 4 burger buns, 1 tablespoon butter. For the toppings, lettuce leaves, tomato slices, pickle slices, red onion rings, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Directions. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions and gently shape them into loose balls. Do not overwork the meat. Preheat a cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Place one of the meatballs onto the hot skillet and smash it down with a heavy spatula or a burger press to form a thin patty. Season with salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 minutes, or until the edges are brown and crispy. Flip the patty and immediately place a slice of cheddar cheese on top. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the burger is cooked through. While the burgers are cooking, butter the burger buns and toast them in the same skillet until golden brown. Assemble the burgers by placing the lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onion on the bottom bun. Add the burger patty with melted cheese on top. Finish with ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise if desired, and top with the other half of the bun. Serve immediately and enjoy. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Total time, 20 minutes. kcal, 500 kilocalories per serving. Servings, 4 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, See Bazaar, for more delicious content.